So these are mountain plums picked just outside of Skopje, Macedonia by our friend Gaia here at the hostel. And it's really interesting because look at all these plums that are picked from the mountains. And in my experience, eating like fruit that's been wild picked, it's usually really sour. And I usually don't like it, so I'm going to see how I like these mountain plums. Wow, not sour at all. It's actually sweet.
If you like, you can eat all.
I'm gonna eat all of them. Try another one.
Try different colors.
I'm gonna try this different color.
The taste is
It's a little bit darker one.
They are picked from 3 different trees.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. Let's see out. Yeah, it tastes like a store-bought. Normally the plums are large, but these are the size of grapes, but it has the same flavor as a plum. And
You like?
I do like it. I'll have one more, so I'll try the light-colored one now. This looks like it's gonna be sour. Let's see. Nope, good. So there you have it. Macedonian mountain plums in Skopje. And that's it. Short video. See you next time.